This is Master Restoration. They hired me as the decorator to take this, which was a blank slate, a complete construction zone, into this open concept office.
We had to completely demo everything. There was like 9 different types of flooring. All the electrical, everything was just messed up. This used to be an iconic building, Electric Harley Davidson, and over the past about 20 years, nobody had remodeled it.
Wow.
So it was a complete gut clean and needed your expertise to help bring it to life.
We went with a wow factor sign. I worked with this artist to place the plants exactly in the right area in order to make it a beautiful art piece. It was actually a trunk of a fallen tree that fell in a hurricane, and we used it as the frame for the sign. That made a lot of sense in this project because this is a disaster relief company that helps people during hurricanes, floods, mold, fire. And that's real moss, real plants that are preserved. So maintenance free, but real. So that was very important to us.
The biophilic was definitely important to us to have that open concept, bring that earthy feel in for comfort.
And then we added a couple of different other elements, some metal in the desk and wood and metal in the ceiling and some cool lighting, and that is the entryway. This is an open concept office. As you can see, we kind of modeled it after like Google and Facebook, and a lot of different open collaboration areas, some closed conference rooms and collaboration areas. I also helped them with their training room.
We went from a much smaller, tighter on top of each other environment to much more open, even though they still sit, close to each other with 6 feet of distance, but it is a lot more high fives, a lot better culture. People are breaking off to go play a game of pool or hang out and just watch a little bit of the Lightning game the other day.
Yeah, that's
on the
cool.
TV.
Glad that it impacted them in a positive way.
Oh, for sure, it was a culture change, and absolutely for the better.
The conference room table that was specially made, one of a kind, from a fallen tree, again in a disaster.
Everybody that's been here loves it. They're blown away. They're like, wow, this is really big. I love the open concept. Tell me more about it. Who did you work with? And so that's a good place for us to plug, you guys in and Peter in. It's been good.
Cool. Yay! Thank you. If you found this video helpful, click the thumbs up and subscribe for some more tips and inspiration. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and you can also check out my projects, or if you want design help, designsbyrania.com.